Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today's topic is distance relay or impedance relay. Why we call it as an impedance relay is because its operation is governed by the impedance, that is the ratio of V by I. If the impedance is less than any predetermined value for which relay is set, the relay will operate. So what we have in the relay is we have two elements. One is current element, which is excited from a current transformer, and we have a voltage element which is excited from a potential transformer. Both the elements will have some current in them and they will produce some torque, but the torque produced by the current transformer is opposed by the torque produced by the voltage transformer, and the torque of this voltage element is basically the restraining torque. If we have a fault, then current which is picked by the current transformer will increase, and if it will increase, it will overcome the restraining torque of the voltage element and the relay will operate. There is one more thing to know, that when the current is increasing in case of fault, so we will have a decrease in the impedance. So what we can make out is that this relay will operate when the impedance is less than the predetermined impedance value, because as the current is increasing, impedance will decrease. So in case the impedance is decreasing, the relay will operate. Now let us say that ZL is the impedance which is operating impedance of the relay, that is below ZL the relay will operate. So let us say the fault occurs at F1, then the impedance Z, as we know that transmission lines have some impedance, so if at this point impedance is ZL, so behind this point impedance will be less than the ZL. So if impedance is less than ZL, so anywhere in between this point and this point, that is known as protected zone, relay will operate. And beyond this point, if say fault occurs at F2, impedance will be more than ZL and relay will not operate. So this will be known as the protected zone, and any value of Z greater than ZL will not be in the protected zone. So this is the basic principle of distance relay. So thanks for watching, keep learning and keep growing.